These are my dice daggers, and not only do they have dice in them, they have dice inside them, so you can carry your entire set of dice with you and impress all your friends. The best part about this is you can 3D print one of these yourself. Now, this is by Clockspring. It was just released today, and it's available on printables.com, mymanufactory.com, or Clockspring's Patreon. And I recently showed 3 filaments from Francofill. There was a wood, there was one that had brick particles in it, and another one that had slate in it. The blades are in slate, and wow, this is a beautiful print, but you do need a 0.6 millimeter nozzle unless you might want to have to deal with a clog or two. This beautiful hilt is in the brick, and then we've got the wood. There are 2 options for the blade. You either have solid or one that takes a nice D6, the pommel where you can have it a D20, or a solid. And if you print this out, tag me. I want to see your cool filament, and I absolutely want to see if you've got any dice that are cooler than my new light up dice. I love these things.